Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, Kwan. How are you? How are you today?
I'm happy.
Why are you happy today? Why are you
Yes.
happy, baby?
Swimming.
You went swimming today. Wow. Okay, are you happy? Are you happy having
Yes.
swimming?
Yes.
Wow, that's good. Okay, good evening, baby Cora. Welcome to our class. My name is Teacher Leia. Nice to see you today. So before we start our lesson, can you guess what is our lesson today? Hold
I
on.
don't know.
Let's find
You
out.
choose. You choose.
Okay, let me share my screen. Ready?
Yes.
Did you eat your dinner, baby?
Yes.
Wow, what's your dinner? Vegetable? Can you hear? Okay, welcome to our class, Koa. Okay, unit 4.
Why you look great?
Your hair looks great. Can you say it?
Your hair look great.
Looks great.
Look great.
With S, baby. Your hair looks great.
Your hair look great.
Okay, that's fine with me. Okay, let's go. So we're going to talk about the hair. Okay, look at the picture, baby. The first picture is straight.
Dark.
Straight.
Curly.
Baby,
Long. Short.
one by one. Straight. Straight.
Straight. Straight.
So the hair is straight. Next.
Straight.
Curly.
Curly.
Curly. Curly.
Curly. Curly.
Very good.
Curly.
Look at the picture.
Long.
Okay. Long.
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 Long. Short.
Short. So, Koa, can you tell me, can you describe your hair?
My hair is short.
Short and straight, right? Wow, okay. Me, my hair is straight and long.
Oh,
Okay, look at the picture. What can you see, baby?
I see two men.
Two men.
Mm,
Oh, so we call it beard and mustache. Okay, let's try to say it. Beard, beard, beard.
beer,
Beard, baby with Z. Beard, beard, beard.
beard.
Next is mustache. So this is what we call mustache, mustache, mustache. Baby, mustache, mustache, mustache.
Mustache.
Do you have a beard, baby?
No,
Do you have a mustache?
no.
When you grow up, you will be having a mustache and a beard here. Again, baby. Beard, mustache.
Beard, mustache.
Next.
Beard, mustache. Beard, mustache.
Okay, let's try to. We will be having a puzzle. Write the answers to the question. Look at number 1, baby. What colors your hair?
What color his hair?
So what's the color? Number 1, what's the color?
Long.
No, color, baby, color.
Yellow.
No. Aside from yellow.
Yellow.
It's blonde.
Blonde.
Say it again, baby. Blonde, blonde, blonde.
Blonde.
Blonde, baby.
Blonde.
Number 2. What's this?
It's a beard.
Beard. Yes. How about this? Number 3. What kind of hair has he got?
Curly.
Yay, curly. Very good. Woohoo. Next, number 4. What's this?
Is a mustache.
Mustache. Very good. Great job. Is her hair long or short?
Short.
Yay. Number 6. What kind of hair has she got?
Short. Stop.
Straight hair. Straight hair. Yay! Very good, baby. Woohoo!
Ooh.
Did you enjoy it, baby? Did you enjoy it?
No.
Now, why?
No.
Let's try to read them all again, baby.
Hair. Short. Longer.
Blonde, curly,
curly.
mustache,
Mustache.
short, straight.
Straight.
Yay! Let's talk about your hair, baby. Look at the picture, baby. This is the pattern. I've got long, straight,
Curly.
blonde, fair, red, brown hair. Can you read it? Baby, I've got
Long, short,
straight,
curly.
blonde. How about your hair, baby? I have short.
I have short hair.
Is it straight? Is it straight? Your hair?
Yes.
Okay, you can say it.
Mine is short.
Short and straight, right?
Yes.
I have short, straight, black hair. Can you say it, baby?
Long, straight, brown, black, white.
This one, I have short.
I have short hair.
Black. I have short, straight, black hair. Okay. Next. Okay. Look at the picture, baby. Gray and gray are different spelling of the same color.
Black and gray are different
Spellings.
Scaly of the same color. Gray is us in American.
Gray is used in American English. Okay. Blonde can be spelled with or without its final E.
Blonde can be spelled with or in both. It's green.
Okay. Fair is another way of describing hair that's blonde or very light brown. Baby, can you read it? Fair.
Fair is another way of
Describing, baby.
describing. He does born a very large crowd.
Okay, very good, baby. Okay. Okay, look at the picture. She's got
long, straight, blonde hair. Her hair is long, short, and blonde.
blonde. She's got long, straight, blonde hair. Her hair is long, straight, and blonde. Again, what is the color of her hair?
Her hair is yellow.
Okay. Did you know the correct order is length, type of hair, color? Okay, very good, baby. For example, long,
short, blonde hair. We got short, curly black hair.
yeah, black hair. Very good. Okay, baby, we're going to listen. Number 1, listen and tick the box. Are you ready?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
4C. Your hair looks great. Listen and tick the box. 1. Which girl is Kim?
Look, Dad. Kim's playing football with the boys.
Is she the girl with long blonde hair?
No, Kim's got brown hair, and it's short, not long.
Oh, yes. I see her. Wow, she's good.
2. Which man is Mr. Scarf?
Excuse me, is that Mr. Scarf, the man with the beard?
Mr. Scarf hasn't got a beard, but he's got a moustache.
Oh, is that him, the man with fair hair?
Yes, that's right.
3. Which person is Jim's cousin?
Is that your brother, Jim? The boy who's standing next to your mum?
Yes, Mr. Cook. My hair is straight, but he's got curly brown hair.
And who's the boy with curly fair hair?
That's my cousin. His name's John.
4. Which boy is Paul's friend?
That's a good drawing, Paul. Is this you? The boy with the curly brown hair?
Yes, Miss Best. And my friend Nick is in my drawing too, but his hair is straight.
The boy who's wearing glasses. Is that him?
That's right.
Okay. Do you want me to repeat it? Number 1, who is girl? Which girl is Kim? Letter?
C.
C. Which man is Mr. Scarf, baby?
I.
No, baby, it's letter C. Okay, let's listen again, baby.
4C. Your hair looks great. Listen and tick the box. 1. Which girl is Kim?
Look, Dad. Kim's playing football with the boys.
Is she the girl with long blonde hair?
No, Kim's got brown hair, and it's short, not long.
Oh, yes. I see her. Wow, she's good.
2. Which man is Mr. Scarf?
Excuse me, is that Mr. Scarf, the man with the beard?
Mr. Scarf hasn't got a beard, but he's got a moustache.
Oh, is that him, the man with fair hair?
Yes, that's right.
3. Which person is Jim's cousin?
Is that your brother, Jim? The boy who's standing next to your mum?
Yes, Mr. Cook. My hair is straight, but he's got curly brown hair.
And who's the boy with curly fair hair?
That's my cousin. His name's John.
4. Which boy is Paul's friend?
That's a good drawing, Paul. Is this you? The boy with the curly brown hair?
Yes, Miss Best. And my friend Nick is in my drawing too, but his hair is straight.
The boy who's wearing glasses. Is that him?
That's right.
Okay, which person is Jim's cousin, baby?
I. Number I.
No, baby. It's letter B. Which boy is Paul's friend?
I.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You're guessing. Oh, look, you have no correct answer, baby.
B. Just
Okay. Read about Alex. Write 1, 2, or 3 words to complete the sentences. Okay, let's read it one by one. The first one, baby, can you read it? And I will repeat it later. Change Alex's face for the film.
it's really from most because he's a blue stud. The name of his seventh limb is what does nose. Alex is making is now in this limb. His body and face look very different. Alex is an Alex. Before
Filming.
Alex put on his orange
Suit. And sits down. Then sits down.
down and in front of a big mirror. The jeans stuck in on his face and changed the color of his eyes. A drink person called Ben and a mouse and bread to Alex face and a third person changed his stuck blonde hair to long curly purple hair. Then Alice can start filming. Your face look really ugly now. Very sad. Alex looked in the mirror again and lost sweat. He said, "Thank you."
Okay, let me read it, baby. Change Alex's face for the film. Alex Top is really famous because he's a film star. The name of his seventh film is, what's that noise? Alex is making it now. In this film, his body and face look very different. Alex is an alien. Before filming, Alex puts on his orange alien suit and then sits down in front of a big mirror. Then Jane starts changing his face. First, she paints it green. Then someone paints black lines on his face and changes the color of his eyes. A third person called Ben adds a mustache and beard to Alex's face, and a fourth person changes his short, straight blonde hair to long, curly purple hair. Then Alex can start filming. Your face looks really ugly now, everyone says. Alex looks in the mirror again and laughs. Ha 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 ha. Great, he says. Thank you. So, baby, let's continue the reading. We're going to ask you a question. Look. There's a question and answer portion, baby. Let's try to fill in the blanks. Are you ready?
Yes.
Number 1, can you read it?
In Alice Lee film is
In Alex's new film, baby, number 1. Hello?
in Alice Lee film is here.
His face,
Face.
and body. Can you read it again, baby?
Face.
Baby, what are you doing?
Alex is person from a work he and then
Okay, next.
Alex sits down in front of a mirror.
Okay. In his orange clothes.
Big mirror.
Okay.
A woman makes Alice face green. Her name is Ellen.
Jane.
Another person has some
Black lines.
Ben puts 2 pins on Alex's face.
A mustache and beard. Baby.
Alex has 2 hair jeans.
Long. Alex has to have
Everything Alex's face look very long. Like when Alex looked at his face, he thanked you.
he laughs and then say, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's play the game. Okay, I will choose one picture, baby. I will going to describe that picture and then you're going to tell me who is that person, okay?
Okay.
Okay. She has a brown, long, straight hair.
So, so
Who is that girl?
the girl is
Where?
wearing
What clothes?
the green t-shirt.
No. She is the pink in dress. Long baby.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. Okay. She looks surprised. Okay. Baby, can you analyze that face? Can you read it first? Happy.
Happy. Uh,
Sad.
happy. Sad.
Pretty.
Ugly.
Ugly.
Sad. Surprised. Ugly.
Surprise. Angry. Old. Young.
Young.
Okay. Number 1 picture. The first lady. Baby.
The number 1 is happy.
Happy. Okay. She looks happy. Number 2.
Is a present. Ugly. Train. Surprised. And plain. Old. Young.
Number 2. He looks
He look. His old fashion look and right.
He looks
He looks a division
surprised.
and the nice face.
Number 3. He looks
Look under the nice face.
He looks old, baby. The third picture, old.
He look under. He look young.
Next, number 4. He looks
He look. He looks sad.
He looks
Sad.
no, baby. He looks
He looks surprised.
this one.
Okay.
He looks. She looks.
He looks mad. Angry.
Tired, baby. This one, baby.
Oh. Ugly.
He looks ugly. This one.
He looks young.
Pretty.
He looks ugly. He looks
No.
angry.
Surprise.
Angry.
This one.
He looks young.
Young. Very good, baby. Good job. Baby, you're not yet doing your homework. Okay. Baby,
Yeah.
I want you to close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Close your
When
eyes.
you
No, I will be the one to ask you that question. Close your eyes.
were you.
So can you tell me, where are you now?
Where are you now?
So where are you, baby?
You looking at your new friend. Is your new friend a boy or a girl? Look at your new friend face. Is your new friend happy, sad, tired? What your new friend her like? He like it is long, short, black face. Different about your new friend.
New friend space.
New friend face.
Is your new friend happy, sad, tired? What's your new friend's hair like?
My friend is happy.
Okay. Hold on, baby.
Baby.
Hold on, baby.
What did you?
Hold on, baby. Hold on, baby.
Hold on.
Okay, let me share this screen for... Okay. So before, we still have time, baby, yeah? Not yet.
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay, baby, I have one song more for you. Ready?
Yes. Good night. Soon.
It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun, and now we say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again.
That's nice song.
It's time to go home.
to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun, and now we say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time. Goodbye. You had so much fun. You had so much fun. We all had so much fun. And now we say goodbye. Goodbye. It's time to go home. See you. It's time to go again. Goodbye. It's time to go home. Time to say goodbye. Goodbye. It's time to go home. See you. It's time to go again. Goodbye. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye.
Yes. Okay, baby. So can you try to submit to me your homework, okay?
Long.
You don't. You didn't do your homework, so don't forget to submit it to me, okay?
Long.
Baby. Hello.
Hello.
So see you again, okay?
Goodbye.
Bye-bye, baby.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Good night.